Mr. Grant, homer help! You get homer help. Let's start. Yep, let's start. The end of our homework for this week is the biggest bit, the performance task. Page 118 is where you should be. Come along with me as you pay very close attention so I can help you with this. This is what you'll see. Start by reading directions together. Answer the questions and show all your work on separate paper. So right away it tells you better show all your work. Xander is in charge of filling goodie bags for the upcoming school party. He plans to order prizes from an online party store. Ooh, fun. The store sells items by the gross. Don't let that word confuse you. That just means that you have to buy 144 at a time. So you can't just buy like one lollipop. When you pay, you're getting 144 lollipops. Or if you get two grosses, then you're getting 288 lollipops, or whatever. They are expecting, important number, 225 guests. I almost forgot to time myself for not talking too much. Sorry about that.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. Xander plans on putting 8 items into each goodie bag. So 225 people, 8 items for each bag. It doesn't really matter what the items are as long as they get something in their goodie bag. Use the list of items below to create an order for Xander. Explain how you know you've ordered enough prizes. Guys, you have a lot of freedom in this problem. There's going to be more than one right answer. There's going to be a lot of ways to get it wrong, too. But you can do it your own way and still get it right. Let me show you what I mean. They want 8 items for each student, but they don't say what kind of items you have to give everybody. The first thing I wish we knew is, how many items should we get? 8. That's for each person, though. How many people are coming? What should we do to find out how many items we'll need all together? I'm happy to see some hands up. If your parents ever watch this video, they'll know that Mia and Matthew and Ivan and Ariel and Zami and Destiny and Jocelyn and Danny and Gabriel and Eric and yeah, and now a lot more now are all participating in class. Thank you. What should we do? Help me out, Mustan.
We should buy.
Turn that air off. It's too loud. What?
We should buy 2 grosses of.
You're not even thinking about what I asked you, buddy. And I even set you up real nice. I said, we need 8 items each. How many people are there? Then one of you said, 225. So how do we figure out how many items we need for everyone? Danny?
225 divided by 8.
Close. 225 divided by 8. Daniel? Your hand was up. Ivan?
225 times 8.
225 times 8. Each person gets 8. So you need 8 for him, 8 for him, 8 for her, 8 for her, for 225 people. So that's step 1. 225 times 8. One way to do that is with the staircase. You don't even need a full staircase. You just need like a little mini staircase. That's all you really need. Extend page, you run out of space. I'm not going to multiply that for you. I will set it up for you though. The rest maybe you can do on your own. Yes, Destiny? Alright, keep it to yourself. Explain how you know that you've ordered enough prizes. Well, you've multiplied, so you know how much he needs. And once you get an answer, you got to look at these things and get to that number. Remember, a gross is only 144. Whatever you get, whatever answer you get for this multiplication problem, you have to order enough things to get to that number. If you order one thing, it'll be 144. If you order two things, it will be 288. If you order three things, it'll probably be into the 400s. So, how much do you need? It depends what your answer to this multiplication question is. Let's pretend that when you answered that, the answer was 400. It's not. It's going to be bigger than that, I promise. If the answer was 400, you would need one gross, probably two grosses, probably three grosses. So you would need one of those, and one of those. But you don't have to pick those. You could pick other items. You don't have to pick the animal racers, glow-in-the-dark stickers. You could pick whatever you want. Just make sure that whatever stuff you pick, it's enough for the people who are coming. And remember, every time you order, are you getting one finger puppet? No, you're getting 144 finger puppets. So you're going to be able to get to 400 kind of quick. Because you're not adding one every time, you're adding 144 every time. At the bottom of the page, it asks you which operation did you use in order to solve the problem. Operation means kind of math. I think we know that now, don't we? What kind of math are we using?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Multiplication and repeated addition, they're connected. And then it says, be precise. Could you use the word dozen instead of gross? That's a stupid question, actually. In my opinion. Skip number 2. Like, no, you couldn't. They mean different things. A dozen means 12.
But a baker dozen means
And
13.
baker dozen means 13. And gross means 144. So they're asking us, could you have used a dozen? Like,
No.
no. I mean, actually, you could have, but it would have taken way longer. Like, if you're only getting 12 items for each order, and you need like 1,000 or something, oh my gosh, you're gonna need like 80 orders. Like, But if each order has 144,
Say I need one gross.
then if you only need a gross, then you're gonna be there much faster. I guess a dozen would help if you didn't want to accidentally order too much.
Well,
But-
doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I would just keep the leftovers and use them as prizes in class or something.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you can start this. If I were all of you, I would start with the obvious step 1. 225 times 8. I'll give you 2 minutes to try it out, and you can show me if you want to.
Oh, okay.
Everybody say bye, class!
Bye!